Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Reliabilt door lock programming instructions step by step in 2026. Now, first of all, before programming anything, the lock must learn your door's direction. So what you need to do here, you need to simply use this 0 button and you need to enter 0000 and then you need to press 0 again. Afterwards, you just have to simply press this particular lock or enter button and the deadbolt should extend and retract automatically during the setup. So Reliabilt manuals specifically recommend you completing this particular step first before programming. Now you just have to simply change the default programming code for security. So you need to simply enter the current programming code. Afterwards, you just have to press 4. Then you need to simply press the enter or the lock button or this particular button over here. Afterwards, you need to enter the new programming code that you want to set and then you need to simply confirm it again. Now programming code are usually 4 or 10 digits long. So to create the normal unlock pin, you need to enter the programming code first. Afterwards, you need to press 1, then press enter, then enter the new user code and then you need to press enter again. Now, most of the Reliabilt lock supports multiple user codes for family members and the guests. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.